250 miles above Earth, a marvel of science and human collaboration orbits silently. The International Space Station, a floating laboratory, a beacon of hope, a symbol of what humanity can achieve, together. The ISS is the largest man-made structure in space, orbiting Earth every 90 minutes. Traveling at over 28,000 kilometers per hour, it completes nearly 16 orbits every day, giving astronauts breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, again and again. Launched piece by piece, the ISS took over a decade and more than 30 missions to build. A joint project of NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA, it stands as a true symbol of international cooperation. Inside, it's a floating laboratory, every corner packed with science, from studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to testing materials and growing plants. The ISS helps us prepare for future missions to the Moon and even Mars. But it's not just science. From the ISS, Earth looks like a fragile blue marble. No borders, no boundaries, just one home. Auroras dance, oceans shimmer, and cities glow like constellations below. Keeping the ISS alive isn't easy. Astronauts risk it all during spacewalks, floating in the vacuum of space to repair, upgrade, and maintain this incredible station. Each mission, a step toward our future in space. They eat, sleep, work, and even grow food in zero gravity, learning how humans might survive on long journeys beyond our planet. Life aboard the ISS isn't without risks. Micrometeoroids, radiation, mechanical failures. But with teamwork, training, and technology, humanity keeps its foothold in space. And the story doesn't stop here. The ISS is evolving, opening its doors to private missions, new experiments, and international astronauts from around the world. The International Space Station, a triumph of science, courage, and unity, orbiting above us, watching over us, inspiring the next generation of explorers, a reminder that together we can reach the stars. For more journeys beyond Earth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.